Very good evening to all of you students. Today we are going to start trees and plant. This is the actually known as the green quiz, in which we have to focus on the shrubs, herbs, climber, creeper and trees. Trees means the woody stem. Okay, so start with the shrubs. The definition of shrubs is very simple. They are in small size, bushy and mostly woody plant. मीन्स ये झाड़ियों की तरह होता है और बहुत छोटे छोटे पौधे होते हैं, जैसे तुलसी का पौधा होता है एंड जैस्मिन. देन सेकेंड वन इज हर्ब्स. दे हैव सॉफ्ट स्टेम एंड मोस्टली ग्रीन इन कलर. लाइक वी हैव ग्रास, वी आर ऑलरेडी फेमिलियर विद ग्रास एंड वीट, कोरिएंडर मीन्स धनिया, मिंट, पुदीना. ओके, इनके जो स्टेम होती है बहुत पतली सी होती है. ओके, सो Herbs are commonly found in our home place also. Next one is climber. Climb means मतलब होता है ऊपर को चढ़ना. The climber category are generally use of support to climb in some trees or in some branches of trees. Okay, so the very familiar and common example is money plant, which is generally found in our homes. Okay, then after that we have creepers. Creeper are generally grow in fields, very big fields, because they required very far area to grow up. Okay, creepers we have the familiar example is pumpkin, cucumber and watermelon. And the stem or even root of this creeper is very small, and they are not much contact with the fields. Next one, desert plant. Desert plant are generally grow in the deserts because they does not require much water for their growth, so that these are grow in the deserts. The familiar example is cactus, century, duranta, date palm, and one of the most important example is saguaro, and it is also known as the giant cactus. Okay, and you have to remember the name of saguaro. Then we have water plants. The water plants generally grow in the standing water. Okay, like lotus, lily, andrella. Next we have sea plants. Sea plants are generally grow in sea, and they require too much water for their growth. Okay. Next we have some question and quiz also. The first one is, what is the dry grapefruit called? The dry grapefruit. I think you all are used to with the grapefruit or dry grapefruit, because this is generally found in your home. That is known as the raisin. Okay, the raisin is generally made with the grapes, and this is the form of this is a dry form of the grape. Next we have second question is, name two herbs. Herbs, we know that what is herbs is, herbs are the soft stem. Okay, so the we have to mention two example. We have option also. The option is grass and mint, so we have to fill this option in the second part. Third one we have name two creeper. The cucumber and pumpkin is our option, so this is the right answer. Okay, so these are the example of creepers. This is pumpkin and this is cucumber. This is grass. Okay, next we have name two parts of a palm tree that are useful. The useful part are the trunk and leaves. The trunk is the thick part and the leaves are the smallest and thinnest part of the palm tree. Next we have fifth question, name two desert plant. The option we have century and prickly pears. And prickly pears is again very important example of this desert plant. Okay, next we have the name of one cactus. This is the very important, saguaro. Saguaro is I already said that saguaro is also known as the giant cactus. Next we have seventh question, name the forest which has the large evergreen leaves. The rainforest, because of the excess of water, they have the large evergreen leaves, because there is no crisis of water even feels by the trees or plants. Okay, next we have eighth question. Name the forest in which trees shed their leaves in the dry season. This season the forest is known as deciduous, and in deciduous the leaves are generally fall down in every autumn season. Okay, and you have to remember the leaves are fall down in every season in autumn season. Okay, next we have ninth question. Name the part of the cork tree that give us sorry, part of the cork tree that gives us cork. This is the outer part of this cork tree. Okay, the bark that is known as bark of the tree, which causes the which is the cause of or we which we can give us the cork. Next we have 10th question. Name the liquid that is obtained from the rubber trees. The rubber trees, I think you all are familiar with the pine tree. Pine is the most important example of the rubber tree, from which we can take out the latex, and this is known as the latex. This is the latex, and this is the formation of the latex from this tree. Okay, and we can catch up this latex in a keep. Okay, so this is complete, and now we can discuss the next one. Now we have birds and animal. This is somehow tough because the name of these species are very tough in nature. The first question is, this is the largest species of tortoise. The largest species of tortoise is known as the Galapagos. Okay, Galapagos tortoise. Okay, you have to remember the name of this species. Then second one is it. This is the Galapagos. Okay, Galapagos tortoise. This is Galapagos tortoise. Then second one is it can regrow completely when a part of its limb is cut and kept away. Okay, answer of this question is starfish. Starfish can regrow itself because the some part, if some part cut out from this the body of the starfish, then it can regrow itself because it has a hormone which can regrow by itself. Then third part, the bird lays only one egg in a year. Okay, the answer of this question is arctic tern, which can give the only one egg in a year. Then fourth one, this is the bird, actually this is the arctic tern. Okay, and you have to take out like this, first, like this is the answer of first, then second we have this, and third, this is the third. Okay, fourth one, the bird that can eat only when it head is upside down is. Okay, the answer of this question is flamingo. Flamingo is the bird, and this is flamingo. Okay, which can eat only when its head is upside down. Okay, in the down direction. Next we have fifth question. All of animals, this mammal produce the largest sound. It can be heard over 800 km away. The answer of this question is blue whale. This is the blue whale. When blue whale sound in gently mode, then the sound is audible up to 500 miles, around 800 kilometers. Okay, the blue whale, the sound of the blue whale is very low pitch sound. Okay, next we have sixth question is, the animal remains in the same position for so long that algae grows on its furry screen. This is the lazy animal, very lazy animal, and so that its name is sloth. And sloth is exactly the synonym of laziness or lazy. Next we have seventh. This is sloth. Okay, an aquatic carnivorous mammal whose limbs are in the form of flippers with webbed feet for swimming is. I think you are familiar with this animal. This is known as walrus, and you are. I think You can see this animal in the Discovery sometime. Okay. A bird. Next question, eighth. A bird that spent most of its lifeline in air, and this is known as, the bird is known as swift, or it is also known as the common swift. Common swift. The option is swift, so answer is swift, and this is also known as the common swift. Ninth question. Lives alone but cares for baby just like human is. The animal is known as orangutan. This is orangutan. Okay, and it can take care her baby like a human. Next we have 10th question. The biggest and the heaviest bird of all that cannot fly is ostrich. This is the ostrich. Ostrich is the biggest bird. This species of armadillo cannot curl itself under its bony plate of armor to protect itself. Okay, so answer of this question is nine-banded armadillo. This is the nine-banded armadillo. The quality of this species is it can bend itself anytime. Okay, by bonded like structure, this can bend its bony structure. Okay, मीन्स जो भी इसकी हड्डियाँ होती हैं उनको मोड़ के फ्लिप कर लेता है. नेक्स्ट 12th वन इज द बर्ड दैट होवर्स वाइल इट सक नेक्टर फ्रॉम फ्लावर and make a loud humming sound. This is known as the hummingbird, and it is generally the species is found in the South America. Okay, so you can search all these answer also. Okay, the first one is Galapagos tortoise, second one starfish, third one Arctic tern, fourth one flamingo, fifth one blue whale, sixth one we have sixth one sloth, and seventh one walrus, eighth one is swift, ninth orangutan, 10th ostrich, 11th nine banded armadillo, and 12th one is hummingbird. Okay, so thank you so much, and this is the syllabus for your GK part also. Okay, up to page number 10. Okay, and note down all these things in your book. Okay, so this is the syllabus. Thank you so much.